Welcome to quarantine day, whatever it is. Today I'm going to show you how to do my bare minimum makeup. I'm wearing it right now. Can you tell? I don't know. I'm too lazy to be like, I hate saying like welcome back to my channel. Just, it's a lot. Like, I'm not like, it's not a lot obviously, but like it's just a lot. But hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aaron Sakino, if you didn't know how to pronounce that. And today's bare minimum makeup day. When you want to wear makeup but you want to look like you're not wearing makeup. This isn't like my semi-natural, like there's literally 4 steps to this makeup. And that's about it. Face, brows, lips. That's it. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for clicking on the video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Hey, I'm gonna spray my face first with whatever setting spray you have, honestly. This is like one with hyaluronic acid, so it's going to help my skin. This is the most bare minimum makeup that I wear, but if it's not no makeup and then full glam, this is like bare minimum, like literally nothing. Okay, primers. I usually do a pore filling primer. This is the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. This just goes wherever. I have a mirror right here. I don't know why I feel need to preface that whenever I do these videos. I'm always gonna have a mirror near me because I can't do my makeup in the camera. Okay, that's on. And then I go in with a second primer, which is more like a hydrating, dewy primer. This is the Glassy Skin Touch and Soul Primer. And then we put like maybe that much on. And rub it into the skin. Rub it, or pat it in, because I just put a pore filling primer on. Who's texting me? Alright. I could honestly just stop here. Why my nose is so red in camera but not in real life, I will never understand. It's nowhere to conceal my under eyes, which don't look that bad in camera, but they look bad in real life. Because this quarantine has me staying up late, waking up late, feeling really lazy. So we're going with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I don't use a lot of matte products when I'm doing no makeup. You want to look dewy. You want to look like just your skin. So a dot. And then a dot, maybe a little bit more than a dot. And then we're gonna conceal any blemishes that I don't want. And then you're gonna take your ring finger, which is like this finger you get the lightest tap with. Like you can like hit hard with these fingers, but like the ring finger, because you have less mobility, it's better to blend out makeup like that. So I just use my fingers because when I'm doing natural makeup, I do not bother with a sponge. I bother with brushes, but not with sponges, because sponges, I don't really care about sponges when I do light makeup. And honestly, I should set these. I probably will set this, but this is that like when you want to run out and do errands but you don't feel like putting a full face on but you need to look somewhat done up. This is that look. See how awake this side looks compared to this side? This whole thing has been having my skin freak out. It's been having my sleep schedule off. I think it's also making my skin freak out, but my skin has been getting better. That looks super fresh, super nice, really natural. Like this is, like I said, my most bare minimum makeup that I do, and I need some of my chin because my chin's looking kind of red too. I am, just because I'm oily, I'm gonna set my under eyes, not my whole face, just my under eyes, that way nothing creases. And then we're gonna go with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer. This is in the shade Light, so it's like my skin tone, so it's not a bronzer, but it'll do. And literally 1, 2 puff, and then that's it. That's all I need for my under eye. It's kind of pretty. And then we're gonna go in with blush. I use, like, usually if I'm doing natural makeup looks, I use like a cream blush. This is the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Too Cool for School blush. It's just gorgeous. It is like terracotta, just mauvey, beautiful, beautiful. And that I should go in. Actually, let me use this. This is the BH Cosmetics brush. I have a million of them, so they're pretty. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna apply it to the apples of my cheeks, very lightly. Tap some more because I like blush. On the nose. She's pretty, and that's that. I love, whoo. So next is brows. I'm gonna show you guys this because it's not my regular brow routine, and it's super simple. You're gonna brush your hairs. Now I already have pretty shapely, thick brows, so I don't need to do a lot. You take a pencil. This is the, if you know, this is the Morphe Ultra Slim Micro Brow Pencil. That. And then you're gonna fill in anywhere where there needs to be some brow hair. So here for me, down there, make my tail a little bit longer. Couple strokes at the front, and you're gonna brush them out. And that is a pretty fucking brow. Oh, she's pretty. And do the same on the other side. And after that, we're going with the brow gel that I always use, Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. It just holds everything that I need. I just run that into the brow like once or twice. Actually, once is good for today. And then you go in with a lip balm or a lip tint. This is the ColourPop Just a Tint Lip Crayon in Cherry Pickin'. And that just gives me really nice, subtle sheer color. Sometimes I put on a highlighter, sometimes I don't. Sometimes highlight can be a little overpowering when you're trying to do a natural look. My skin's more or less glowy right now, so I just a little bit more glow. Instead of using a highlight, you can use a blush topper, which is like a blush with a lot more shimmer in it. So it's meant to go on top of blush, but because it has the pigment of the blush, but more the highlight, it's really natural, really pretty. So today I'm using Rose de Oro, if that's how you say it, by Milani. This is really like goldy, pinky, champagne-y, and it's gonna look really great on top of everything else. It adds a little bit of blush, makes it a little bit highlighty. And yeah, I like it. Oh, setting spray, yeah. So you're going with the same setting spray that you used before, or whatever you want to use, honestly. This is not meant to last long in your face. It's just meant to look natural and pretty. I'm going to use a ColourPop. Wow, I use a lot of ColourPop products in this video. Not sponsored. I'm going to use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Setting Spray. And that, my friends, is it. That is my bare minimum, like, nothing there makeup. It barely looks like I'm wearing makeup. It looks like I'm wearing eyebrows, somewhat, and some kind of like pinky lip balm. And that's really about it. So I hope you enjoyed today's very short video. Not short for me because it's taking me like 30 minutes to record, but it's gonna get condensed into like 8 minutes. So please enjoy, like, subscribe, and share. Period. Okay, bye.